Now, in this second part of solving quadratics by using square roots, I'm going to show you how to solve quadratics when the squared term is actually of the form x minus h squared is equal to a constant c. So in this case, your squared term or your quadratic term, so your quadratic or your squared term is now a binomial. There you go. So now it is in a factored form of a binomial, like x minus h squared. So how are we going to do this? Let's look at this example over here. It's x minus 1 quantity squared equals 25. So let me copy that down. X minus 1 squared is equal to 25. So if there is no constant right before the grouping symbols or right before the parentheses, then you can go and proceed and get the square root of both sides. So get the square root of both sides here. There we go. It's so far off, but anyway, so once, let me do it again. Okay, I hope I do a better one with this one. Okay. There. So get the square root of both sides. And as I've explained earlier, you know, the radical and the exponent cancel each other. So now you're going to have x minus 1 is equal to, well, what's the square root of 25? The square root of 25 is plus or minus 5, right? So it's going to be plus or minus 5. Now, you have a negative 1 on the left-hand side of the equation. So what you're going to do is move the 1 over. So you're going to have x is equal to plus or minus 5. When you move the 1 over, it will become positive 1, so it's plus 1. So now you have to break down the two possible solutions by separating. First is positive 5 plus 1, and the other is x is equal to negative 5 plus 1. So from here, your solution will be 6, while in the other, the second part, your solution is negative 4. So that means this has two solutions. So two solutions, and they are x is equal to 6 and negative 4. So that's another way of solving quadratics by using square root.